Hi friends, welcome to my channel RK SoftAcademy. In this tutorial session, I will discuss about Oracle group functions. Okay. So just for the introduction, who are joining new in this tutorial session and who have other background than computer science or who have no academics background about the database or who are just joining from other professions. Maybe you are liking your career or want to grow your career in IT or Oracle background, right? So actually in today's many peoples who are just have a degree or diploma from many branches like electronics, electrical, mechanical, civil or whatever, means after studying or even a graduate degree or BSc, BA or BCom, they also wanted to shift their professional career in software industry, right? So who have actually have an engineering degree, they might have some knowledge on computer software or some application because they have studied in their academics, like right? Because every engineering subject in the engineering stream there must have a one or two computer subjects, and they have some knowledge about the computer and about the software. But some students not take that seriously because other parts also have some important to them because they are studying that stream, but who are studied in computer science and they have some knowledge, maybe some knowledge about the Oracle software. But this session is for all. Okay, so that's why I am just going to explain about a little bit background of Oracle database. And other professions who are joining this session from other professions apart from software industry, they may be working in other professions but want to switch their career in software industry. They are just starting to get knowledge in computer system and software database like that. So for all, I am just have a quick discussion about Oracle. What is Oracle, and what is this session about? For just for a quick summary discussion about Oracle database. So Oracle is a database software basically, and it is invented by Oracle Corporation. And this software basically used in business organizations to manage data or information for their business software application. And a database basically a collection of information which is stored inside in the form of table structure, and a table structure basically a collection of rows and columns. So this is the data basically the information or raw facts like any names, any date or any string, like any raw fact may be a data and information is a meaningful data. So these are the summary like data and information. And database is a system where a collection of information can be stored in the database, and so that we can get and collect data in future. Because in the very traditional system, in the operating system, we have a access MS access data MS access, right? So there save also some data, but it is not it is the operating system level file, right? It is not possible to fetch some records, or if its size is quite large, we will not find any particular data, or we will not going to extract any particular data. So that's why database is a convenient way to store the data or information about in a table structure. And there are actually in database data are stored in table structure, and that's why a database has been designed so that we can get data in future times, and we can store any kind of data. Let's say one business have customers, customer data can be inserted in customer table. So there may be a table named customer, so customer in details like customer name, customer age, address, gender, or there many things, means social security number, or social background, whatever can be stored inside that customer table. Like their product or table also may be there in some business. So product ID, product name, how many quantities are there, and what is the unit price, what is the selling price, and how many sales have been made in each month. So this kind of records or this kind of data can be stored in product table. So just I am giving some examples that how can be how data can be stored in the database. Like that, information or data can be stored inside a table structure, and one row particularly describe a complete information about a specific item in a database table. So and tables in the database also in relationship, there are parent-child relationship or master detail relationship. Because since let's say one customer table is there, and one customer order table is there. So customer table have some customer information, and order table have what the customer have been ordered for any items. So that can be goes to the customer order table, and how much they have to pay for that order items. So that's why the detail table should be exist there, and there should be a relationship between customer or table and customer order table. So in that way the tables is used in the relationship in the database, right? So there are there one table may be in relation with many tables, and so in this way the information is stored in the database in relationship model. So that's why Oracle is called a relational database management system, so that we can store information in relation, from one in a table with another table in so there must have a relationship. Okay, so that's why Oracle is called a relational database model. And every business applications, client server application use Oracle database. Most of the companies use Oracle database because this is very secure database, and Oracle has many features and tools. So SQL is the tool for accessing Oracle database and manipulate Oracle data, fetch or view information from the client side. So SQL is called structured query language, and this is the main tool for manipulation of data, creating database objects, and various permissions we can provide each object by SQL. So there is different part. If you want to learn about complete SQL course, you can just visit the other videos. So there are many videos on SQL, and also as well as PL/SQL, various advanced topics. But I want to discuss right now about the Oracle group functions. So what are main basically group functions is. This video can be in two parts, because I have already provided some introduction about the Oracle database, yeah, keeping in mind that all kind of people are watching this video. That's why this is taking time to come into the main topic. So I am now just coming to the topic, because other videos are there also to have to get the knowledge about the SQL, about the PL SQL, and from the basic to the advanced level. Okay, so just watch all the videos from the start to the end, so that you can understand well about the topic. And if you like that video, you just can give a like and subscribe my channel, so that you can get the notification for future updates and future videos. And also I have all 16 years of experiences developing database and work with various technologies of databases like SQL, PL SQL development. I also Oracle forms and reports, and I used to work with Oracle SQL, PL SQL, working with worked with Oracle forms and reports for client server database application development. And also I have used Unix shell scripting. During my 16 years of careers working with Oracle and Unix technologies, I have reached many positions. Like I started my career from Oracle software developer, then reaches to the position like technical consultant, then team lead, then technical lead, then senior technical associate, then senior system analyst, and associate project manager, and also project manager. So during my 16 plus years of experiences as a database developer and database analyst, and also many kind of role I have I have worked upon. But at a certain time I started to teach people's in all the Oracle technologies. So I used to provide training during last 10 years. I actually enjoy teaching, so that's why I started providing training. During last 10 years I am providing training on different Oracle technologies like Oracle database architecture and database design, Oracle complete SQL course training, that is structured query language, is complete SQL training. I provide complete PL SQL programming course. I provide training on Oracle forms and reports development course, and also I provide training for Unix shell scripting course. If you want to join my live session or live training, that trainings are going online right now. So if you interested to join any live training session, you just contact me as shown in the thumbnail page of this video. There are contact number and WhatsApp number. You can directly contact me or WhatsApp me or email me. That is in the description section below the video. You have a description section, so in the description section there is my email ID. You can just directly email me for your detailed training requirement. Or I have also provided training for employer for their employees. So I have provided many trainings and conducted many trainings for many big organizations like Tech Mahindra, IBM, HCL, and other many companies. So you can just take a online training session from me, and so that you can learn many things in details. And you can, if you want to grow your career in database side or Unix development side or administration side, you can just take a part of my training. Contact me over there, as I told, and we can start soon on that training. once processed, all the things are processed. So that's all from this video, and next part I will discuss about the Oracle group functions in detail. Okay, just this is the introduction for all who are watching this video new. So that's all. Like this video and subscribe my channel. That's all. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll come back to with next video.